Hey, what's up YouTube? Raleigh back with an interesting video. This is SOSIC's exclusive. What we know so far about the JIO Phone 3. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, here's the JIO Phone 3. I'm not very sure about the leaks that these are showing the websites and other sources that I get from. But here's what we know so far. The JIO Phone 3 would be powered by the MediaTek processor, which is not specified by any sources. So it will be pretty basic. And I don't understand why these leaks are like this. Almost everywhere it's like this. You get a 2MP primary camera, and then that's like a front-facing camera and a 5MP rear camera. I know megapixels doesn't matter, but at least 10 or 12MP is the minimum requirement for you to shoot a 4K video, and to shoot a 4K video you need at least 8.3 megapixels. So this will be limited for 1080p probably. And then the battery life is pretty average, not average, below average actually, because it will be powered by 2800 mAh battery. I'm actually very annoyed by the specifications of this JIO Phone 3. MediaTek processor, 2800 mAh battery, 5-inch screen, that's a 720p display, which will have 294 pixel per inch, which is actually less than basic smartphone. And also this will be a plastic phone, like the back panel will be plastic and a single camera back in the front. Now this smartphone will have 64GB or 32GB of internal storage with 2GB of RAM, which is actually very less in 2020, because you see smartphones with 16GB of RAM that even my laptop doesn't have. Now, keeping all this apart, now taking the price as our primary goal, according to the leaks, this smartphone may come around 1500 to 1800 rupees. Now, in this price range, I don't think any smartphone company will give you a MediaTek 2800 mAh or at least a basic smartphone. And this will be an Android Go smartphone, not any Android 8 or Android 9 according to the leaks. This is the Android Go smartphone, which is actually confirmed for now. So what Reliance JIO is trying to do is keeping the budget very low, 1500 to 1800 rupees, and putting all the components that a smartphone can in that budget, not making too much of profit, but helping the customers, like the people who are new to smartphone industry. I guess the idea is kinda good, but little improvements of these smartphones can make it very good. Not in terms of display, but in terms of the processor and the battery life, because battery life actually sucks at 2800 mAh. That was everything we know so far about the JIO Phone 3. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care.